Joloch mapacho ka e tuke mag basketball Nairobi City Thunder e joloch mag zone ma Ugwe ma Afrika e tuke go. Thunder nyoloyo Kriol Stars ma Cape Verde okapu 99-86 e tugo manyogo Kasarani Gymnasium. Kata kamano timbe ariyogo nyose ng'ado tiko mar dhi e tuke mag Afrika, kamano dhi bedo tielo mar abich mar Basketball African League korka okapu mar jok machuo e Afrika. Kocha mar City Thunder Bradley nonyiso mor mare kaluwore gi loch makamano.
The general feel about the game is I want to congratulate Nairobi City Thunder for an excellent game they did. They came out with a victory and they won the tournament. And also I want to thank my teammates and the coaching staff and everyone that made this possible for us also qualifying for the BAL. It was an amazing feat and we also wrote history as the first time ever to have a Cape Verdean team in the BAL.
It's a great honor. It's a great honor, really. It feels like a privilege. I couldn't imagine this, like even a few years ago, if you'd have told me I'd be sitting here on my way to taking, Kenya's first club team to the BAL, I couldn't have imagined it. So I love Kenya. My family's here. We have roots here, and so it just feels really special to be able to be a part of this.